Ted's Woodworking Review. Hey guys, I'm Stacy from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to be reviewing Ted's woodworking plans. You will find links to the products in the description, and you can use the links to check out the latest prices and user reviews. Make sure to watch until the end to know our final verdict whether Ted's woodworking plans are worth it. Ted's Woodworking Overview. Ted's Woodworking has over the years strived to provide high-quality woodwork plans for construction. The organization was founded by Ted McGrath, a certified master woodworker with over 25 years in woodworking, an AWI member, and a trainer who has been compiling all of his work for the better part of his career. The organization provides up to 16,000 of the best woodwork plans that you get to choose from. After several years in the employment sector, Ted rechanneled his efforts to something that he was more passionate about and therefore spent years studying problems and deriving solutions in the woodworking industry. After years of research and study, he felt it was time to share his vastly acquired knowledge on woodworking with the rest of the world, to help individuals make the best out of woodworking. He, therefore, put together a comprehensive collection of plans on a well-established website. The material is available in digital form, both in PDF and DWG. Alternatively, people can order high-quality DVDs, which are ideal for both professionals and amateurs. What we liked. The plans cataloged is well organized. Value for money packages. Budget-friendly and cost-effective courses. Wide variety of plans to choose from. Simple and straightforward guides to follow. The plans can be tested using a 3D modeling software. Easily accessible online. Personal coaching services from the organization. What we did not like. Some plans are old and videos are of low quality. Wide variety of plans to choose from, which can be tedious finding the right plan. The videos are from YouTube and are not made from Ted himself. Things you should know about Ted's Woodworking. Ted's woodworking plans are meant to provide a detailed step-by-step guide to users building wood structures. However, most buyers, while impressed with Ted's woodworking plans shed, have complained of the packages being too many and overwhelming to comb through. This is proving difficult for some people since some of them are old and it takes some time to get one that they prefer. Some felt the bonus videos are not worth watching, as they've been gathered from YouTube videos and not Ted's own videos. Ted's woodworking specifications. You'll notice that Ted's woodworking plans are of a wide variety across different types of wooden structures. User reviews. Ted says, "I look forward to having more years of projects to have fun with." Brian says, "The program has great plans with step-by-step instructions." Dennis says, "A legendary ripoff. Do not buy this useful collection of other people's old plans. You will get spammed forever." Ted's Woodworking features. Package. Ted's woodworking plan comes in a form of a package offering 16,000 plan designs and blueprints. The package includes everything from the plan, the relevant materials, tools, and photos of similar plans under construction, making it one of the best DIY project plans. The plans by Ted offer a detailed step-by-step working guide, and which includes videos of the same but as a bonus to ensure that you carry out the projects on a personal level. You can also confirm with the video that you are doing the right thing. The above helps motivate the woodworker to complete the project in an anticipation of the end product and not abandoning it halfway. The detailed instructions, when followed keenly, will ensure that the woodworker has all the relevant materials to conduct the project successfully and even make the correct measurements. And out of the love for his job, Ted has ensured that his followers are provided with additional plans every month. If you are, therefore, looking to build your woodworking muscle, you can access the plans because they have been made suitable for use by beginners, amateurs, and professionals alike. Versatile plans. Ted's woodworking plans allows woodworkers to build a ton of wooden structures, and all they have to do is think of a wooden structure that they want to build and be supplied with the plans from Ted's woodworking cache. Important to note is that the package has incorporated almost all types of plans ranging from beds, tables, dressers, stools, toolboxes, seats, wardrobes, to garages and outdoor plans. The outline of the plan is detailed to include images and pretty easy to understand, thus designed to turn any rookie into a master craftsman in all types of woodwork construction projects. Most importantly is that all craftsmen works on the different projects using Ted's woodworking plans. They develop familiarity, which in the long run hones their skills, and before they know it, they have perfected in the craft of woodworking. Payment scheme. Making payments to Ted's Woodworking is simple. given the broad spectrum of payment options provided. Woodworkers can therefore make the payments using their credit cards when purchasing the plans on the website. One thing to keep in mind though is that the plans don't come with a money-back guarantee. Ted's Woodworking Plans are a resource that will impact woodworking knowledge to upcoming artisans and sharpen the skills of the professionals. The information that you will be investing in will be beneficial to you and other members of your family wishing to take the same cause, and to those who might get stuck with the DIY woodwork jobs. And while the woodworking plans come at a price, what you can do with the information for you and your generation is priceless. Additional features. There are additional features that can be ordered together with the plan of your choice, and most of the time, the additional features are on an offer for Ted's Woodworking Plans. All that the woodworkers therefore have to do to get them is claim. The plan files are normally presented in the DWG format, and to make the most out of them, the woodsman must have a CAD plan viewer. The plans come with the software, and the artisan can therefore customize them after viewing by modifying and editing to suit their preference. Other important additional features that the craftsmen have been given access to are over 150 premium videos. The videos have been recorded in high quality and will therefore take you through the creation and assembly process of the various woodworking plans. The organization runs a book titled How to Start a Woodwork Business, specially designed to help the furniture makers to successfully launch their woodwork business. The manual contains detailed steps that will guide the upcoming artisans on how to build the various types of furniture. Verdict. So, is Ted's Woodworking worth it? For some looking to do some serious woodwork DIY projects at home, or a professional looking to expand their knowledge, then they can't afford not to get themselves a Ted's Woodworking Plan. The package is inclusive of up to 16,000 plans, and which retail at an affordable price. In addition, the plans are simple, straightforward, and are provided with photos. The detailed experts also highlight the different materials and tools required for each construction project. If the plans are not as clear or the user is having a hard time understanding them, then they can instead use the videos that will take them through a detailed step-by-step process. The plans are accessible online through the organization's website in the form of either PDF or WDG file. Alternatively, the woodsman can have the DVD shipped to them. Whichever format the artisan decides to settle with, they can be sure that Ted will provide them with a viewing software which they can use to customize the plans to their liking. Other benefits that the craftsman wouldn't want to miss out on are such as access to the woodworking tips manual. They can also get a business guide that has been designed for individuals looking to venture in the woodworking business. Close competitors. One of Ted's close competitors is Ryan Shedd's Plans that has 12,000 plans. For one, both organizations offer detailed plans with a step-by-step guide to their users. Both organizations allow their users to access their content online on their respective websites. However, Ted's Woodworking outperforms Ryan Shedd Plans by offering 16,000 plans in both PDF and DWG formats, with CAD software to enable customers to view, edit, and even modify the plans. This is 4,000 plans more than what Ryan Shedd Plans offers. Ted's also offers access to videos that one can follow and offers a ton of bonuses, including a woodworking business guide and over 200 woodworking tips. Where do you get your woodworking plans from? Would you consider purchasing Ted's Woodworking Plans? Tell us your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, if you enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. See you on the next one!